Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move all layers in a group in Photoshop for two way. First of all, example, see this group and select layer, hold shift and select the last layer to automatically select whole layer, all layers, or select multiple layers, hold control hold, then select multiple layers. Then click and drag it for group. Now see this, show online or show this group for online, move group. Another way to hold control, hold shift, select all, hold control Z or group. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.